If you're trying to do TikTok Shop dropshipping, there's one major challenge that's not being talked about enough. And that challenge is TikTok Shop actually requires you to ship out the orders within just 2 business days of receiving the orders. And they're super strict about it. If your supply ships late, even just a few times, it puts your entire TikTok Shop seller account at risk. You can get a violation, or worse, your store could get shut down. So that's a huge risk for anyone trying to build a business on TikTok Shop. And unfortunately, most traditional dropshipping suppliers simply can't keep up. So if you want to succeed with TikTok Shop dropshipping, the most important thing to do is to find a US-based dropshipping supplier that can meet the shipping requirements without sacrificing the quality of the products. That's where Beauty Boss comes in. It is one of the best US suppliers I've found for TikTok Shop dropshipping. They can ship their orders within 2 business days, which is compliant with TikTok Shop's policy. Every product is made and shipped from the US, which means your customers get their orders fast and they are in high quality. You don't need to buy any inventory upfront. It's a true dropshipping fulfillment model, so you only pay when you receive an order. And the best part, they offer professional, fully branded packaging, so your orders look and feel like a real brand, not some generic dropshipping products. They also focus mainly on the beauty and wellness products, which are some of the highest converting and most viral products on TikTok right now. So whether you're just getting started or already selling, Beauty Boss gives you everything you need to meet TikTok Shop shipping requirements and also to stand out with their premium quality products. Now let me show you how it works and what the platform looks like inside. I've listed a direct link down below in the description where you can sign up for a free trial, so there's no risk to take a look at the platform. Alright, so once you are logged in, this is the dashboard that you'll see. So the first thing that you can do is to connect your Shopify store. So you can just come here and then you can click on Connect Shopify Store. If you haven't signed up for a Shopify account yet, I'll leave a link below for you to get the best current deal. Next, I want to show you catalog. So when you go to catalog, this is where you can see all the available products that you can add to your store. So currently there's a sea moss post-shave oil, there's a grass-fed whipped tallow, and there's a deodorant for women and men. So when you hover over the product, you'll be able to see the wholesale pricing and the suggested retail price. So that would be your estimated profit if you were to list it at retail. You can create the product, or you can also request a samples if you want to check out the product. So let's say if you want to create the product, we can just click on create. So this way you can add the product, but you still need to upload a label, as you can see here. So I'll show you how to do that. So let's go to the creative library. This is a really cool feature inside of Beauty Boss. So here's where you can find the pre-designed label that you could use for your products. So these are all the different designs that you could use. So depending on what product that you're looking for, so you can come here to search for a specific product. So let's go with the tallow, for example. So here are the different designs. So you can see which one matches your brand and which one you like the most. And let's go with this one, for example. So let's say this is the one that you want to modify. We can just go to edit tallow label. And this will take you to Canva, where you can customize the label. So once you're in Canva, everything is customizable. So let's say if you want to add your own brand name here. So let's say that's the brand name. I'm just doing it really fast just to show you. You can change it to a different font. You can change the size. You can change anything on here. And you want to delete this layer before you export. So let's say I want to delete that. And let's say if you're done and we can export this label. Go to download. PNG is perfect. And click on download. Save this label. And let's come back to Beauty Boss. So where it says upload label, we can just click on the button. Upload the label that we just created. Make sure everything looks okay. Click on looks great. And then your product photos will start rendering. So there you go. That would be the product photos that you could use. So when you're done here, you can just click on publish now, and then this will publish directly to your Shopify store. And as you can see, it's being published right now. And normally it just takes a few minutes. So this platform is really cool. And when you have orders, you will be able to manage it under the orders tab. And let's go to membership. They also offer a Beauty Boss membership that you can join, and you get the following benefits. So you get a sample every month. They will just mail it to you. The retail value for the sample is anywhere from $30 to $60. You get the BossBox credits that you can use in your account. You can have access to the creative library with hundreds of the royalty-free lifestyle images, and you get the rest of the benefits here. So it definitely has great value if that's something that you're interested in. And if you ever get stuck with anything, you can go to the resources page where you can look for the support documents, or if you need help, you can just submit a ticket request. And lastly, you can also join the community on Facebook. So they have a Facebook group, and they also have a school community where you can ask questions to other beauty bosses or the admin. They always answer your questions and they're really helpful as well. So that was a quick overview of the Beauty Boss platform.